Hey everyone, this is Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the power switch on your Bose QC25s. If you need any of these tools or parts, it will be linked in the video description down below. And if you don't feel comfortable with doing this repair, you can send it in to our repair center and we can take care of that for you. So to start off, we're going to flip the headphones over and work on the right side, the side with the power switch. We could fold that in and we pop off our ear pad simply by pulling to the side. Next, we need to take this mesh off. There will be two strips of tape here and here. So if we start from the top, carefully go under it with our finger and then just pry it up and out. And do this on both sides. Place that to the side as well. Next, we're going to need to remove two screws here and here. They're both Phillips head. Now we can just flip this over, and I like to use a plastic pry tool, not a metal one, and just with the flat side get under there, pry up and out, and this cover will pop right out. Next, we just simply pick up our power button, lifting from both sides, and place that to the side or garbage if yours is broken. Next, we grab our replacement unit and making sure that this clear plastic piece goes to the LED indicator right there. So you just make sure this is pointing towards the top of the headphones. Simply put that on. Next, grab our back cover and slide it on top carefully, and it should clip into place. There we go. Flip this back over and put our two screws back in. Now that we've got those two put in, we can grab our mesh. I've replaced the tape on the bottom, so we just align it there in the corners, push down on this piece of tape and slowly work it down and just put some pressure on that tape. Next, grab our ear pad, and I like to start from the top. There are these clips all around, so I like to pry this foam back a little bit and just slide the top. There will be like a marking and you can just slide it in, aligning it. And next, just work your way around, kind of pulling back and putting the rim under each clip. And now that we've done that, you are done and have successfully replaced your power button switch. Thanks for watching. Again, if you need any of these tools or parts, it will be linked in the video description. And if you do not feel comfortable proceeding with this repair yourself, you can always send it into our repair center and we'll have one of our technicians take care of that for you. Again, thanks for watching and have a phenomenal day.